In this video, I will cover creating assets. Click on the Add button. Enter the required values. Enter the asset name. Select a model. If we have selected the field set when creating this model, then the custom fields of the selected field set will be displayed. The status of the asset affects the checkout of the asset. Choose a status for the asset. Data taken from the status screen in settings. Supplier data is taken from the supplier's screen in settings. Enter the purchase date. Enter the purchase cost. Locations data is obtained from the Locations menu screen. Enter the warranty. Requestable. If checked, this asset will allow the employee to choose to request an allocation in the requested menu screen. For sell, if activated, assets are sold on the client portal. For rent, if activated, the client can book a rental on the client portal. Minimum renting period. For example, the asset is rented for 1 day with the price shown in the field rental price. Redirect to serial number screen. And enter the tag for the asset. Each tag corresponds to one asset. Here I have entered 3 tags. The system will generate 3 lines for this asset. Each line is 1 tag. The image of the asset is taken from the image of the selected model. We can view detail. We can print QR code for this asset. Update this asset. Delete this asset. Go to Asset Details page. Details tab will display the information of the asset. Checkouts. The number of times this asset was checked out. Check-ins. The number of times this asset was checked in. Requests. The number of approved requested, created at requested menu, related to this asset. Licenses tab. Show a list of licenses checking out to this asset. Components tab. Show a list of components checking out to this asset. Assets tab. Show a list of assets checking out to this asset. Maintenances tab. Show the list of maintenance generated for this asset. At this screen, you can also quickly create a maintenance for this asset. Enter required information. History tab. Manage activity history like create, update, check out, check in. Files tab. You can upload attachment file for this asset. You can review files at this tab. You can also delete attachments. Click back to return to the Assets Management screen. You can print QR code for multiple assets. You can delete multiple assets at once with bulk delete function. If you need to create a lot of assets, to save time, use the bulk upload function. First, to ensure successful import, correct format, full columns, you should download the template file by clicking Download a Sample button. Enter the data you need to import into the downloaded file and save it. Click the Choose File button under Select the Excel file and choose a file, then click on the Import button. If the import file has an error, the system will display a message, proceed to edit the file and re-upload.